Go for it.
What? Oh, is it recording or? Oh, I would rate it a 3, and if I was a girl, I would wear them.
Why?
Because they look sparkly and cool.
They could be used as a weapon.
Probably say it too. I mean, she can work them, but if I was a girl, I couldn't do that.
Why?
I'd be an ugly girl.
No, why? Why a 2? Why would you not wear them?
Where did you get that hat?
It's not my style, but it's her style. I'm assuming.
Why?
Yes.
I just didn't. You just don't look like a.
You're so recording.
Oh, this
I'm a good one. Okay, Ben. So, one through 3, her heels. 1, if you, from a male's perspective, 1, you hate them. 2, you could see an instance where it'd be all right for a girl to wear them, different outfit, occasion. 3, you wish your girlfriend had them.
Ben, can you please wear them right now?
Kiss. What would you rate them?
Why are you recording this?
You'll see.
I don't care. I wouldn't want my sisters to wear them, but I really don't care.
Wow.
So a 1?
Because I don't care. My sister wears heels like that. It doesn't really matter.
Thank you, Ben.
So you're saying it's a 3? Hey,
So,
what's up?
1 through 3.
What's 1 and what's
1, no one should ever wear them.
I think they're awesome. I think that they're like the best defense mechanism that a girl could have. Just, yeah, they're just basically like weaponized heels. They're good. Yep.
With a mirror. So 3?
Yeah, they're cool.